Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle an interesting A-level mechanics question about the motion of a golf ball right after it's been struck by a golfer. So let's start it. This question provides us with a model of a golf ball's height above the ground. We have an equation here as h is equal to 0.36x minus 0.003x square, where hm is the height of the golf ball above the ground and xm is the horizontal distance traveled. For part A, we are supposed to find the height of a golf ball when it is stuck. So when it is stuck at this point, it has traveled x is equal to 0 because the golfer has just stuck it and it hasn't traveled any distance yet. So let's plug in this x is equal to 0 into this equation. We will get h of 0 is equal to 0.360 minus 0.003. So now both of the terms will become 0 minus 0 and the answer will be 0. So the height of the golf ball is 0 at the point of the impact, which makes sense because it's right on the ground when it was first stuck. In part 2, we are supposed to find the height of the golf ball when it is at a horizontal distance of 100 meter. So when x is equal to 100 meter, we are supposed to find the height. So suppose if this is the point where x is 100 meter, we are supposed to find this particular height. We will put x is equal to 100 into this main equation again. 0.3600 minus 0.00300 and square. It will be 36 minus 30, which will be equal to 6 meters. So at a horizontal distance of 100 meters, the golf ball is 6 meters above the ground. Now we move on to the part B, where we predict the height of the golf ball at 200 meters from the golfer. We put this 200 in our model equation and we get it is equal to 0.6200 minus 0.003 200 squares, which is equal to, this value is equal to 72 minus this value is equal to 120, and the answer is minus 48 meters. In part C, they have asked us to comment on the validity of this prediction. Now this result, minus 48 meters, suggests that the golf ball would be 48 meters below the ground at the horizontal distance of 200 meters. Physically, this doesn't make sense because a real golf ball wouldn't go below the ground level. What this actually tells us is that our model is only accurate up to a certain point. It doesn't account for when the ball has already hit the ground after reaching its peak point. And so this particular prediction is not realistic for distances beyond where the ball would have landed.